Now, the circuit actually is similar to what we have there, which means we've got the ground and the voltage. But what we want to do is to introduce some programmability because there is no timing going on, no control. We don't have a lot of control. So why don't we bypass the voltage source and then connect this to pin 13. So I'm going to change this to data, so I'll just make it orange for the data line. And what we have here, now we are using pin 13. On the Arduino, pin 13 is actually connected to the onboard LED as well. So this one is the onboard LED. So what happens is once we start the simulation, depending on the code, it should actually control this LED for us. So we're going to give it a go now. So we click Start Simulation. And you see the LED blinking. What is happening? Why is it blinking? We've not actually put any code yet. So maybe there's a code hidden somewhere that we've not seen. So stop the simulation now and we go to the code view by clicking the code.